Hurricane Melissa is closing in on Jamaica as a massive Category 5 storm.
Jamaicans are only just beginning to understand the full extent of the damage left behind by Hurricane Melissa.
October 28, 2025. The Caribbean was hit by a force unlike anything in living memory. Winds roaring over 185 miles per hour. Storm surges devouring entire coastlines. A hurricane so powerful, it shattered records in a single day. This is F5 category Hurricane Melissa. Melissa began as a tropical wave off the coast of Africa on October 20th. 4 days later, it grew into Tropical Depression 13 and quickly became a tropical storm. By October 27th, skirting south of Haiti and the Dominican Republic, it had strengthened into a hurricane, and just hours later, it erupted into a Category 5 monster.
Look over here, look on his interview.
One of the most striking clips comes from inside NOAA's Hurricane Hunter plane, flying straight into Melissa's heart, the aircraft rattling through violent turbulence before emerging into the calm, silent eye of the storm. In Jamaica, more than 530,000 people lost power. Entire towns were flooded. Hospitals and airports suffered structural damage, and the parish of St. Elizabeth was described by officials as being underwater.
People see the cars going, people see the drive force. Look at people. I told you it's going, people. The whole community is gonna go.
Even hospitals weren't spared. Savannah Lamar and Montego Bay facilities were flooded, roofs torn off, leaving patients and staff exposed amid the chaos. Hurricane Melissa has moved on, but its mark remains. Entire communities in Jamaica and Cuba devastated, thousands displaced, and at least 7 lives lost. From record-breaking winds to catastrophic flooding, this storm reminded the Caribbean and the world of nature's unstoppable power. Recovery is underway, but the lessons of Melissa will echo for years. Stay informed, stay prepared, and never underestimate the fury of a Category F5 hurricane.